Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your screen timeout to infinite on your Samsung Galaxy F23. So in order to do that we'll need to go to Google Play Store, but first let me show you the settings and display and screen timeout. The maximum timeout available for the phone is 13 minutes, so to change that to infinite we'll need to download the app called Caffeine. So let's go to the Google Play Store and start searching for an app and write Caffeine, just like that. Click on the app, press install. When the app is done, click on the open. Don't show again. Go to the timeout section, and from here you can choose how long the timeout will take. So if you want infinite, make sure it's infinite. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.